SERV stock analysis. Is it a buy? In this 1-minute video, I'm answering that and giving you my Serve stock prediction and all of that. So, Serve Robotics. This thing is just delivering. It's good. You know, it's like 41% up for the day. This video that I made previously was calling it out from pretty much the lows there, which was around $7, which is pretty much we have doubled since. This is how it looked like.
If it doesn't happen, second option is if it comes inside. If that doesn't happen, then I'm not buying, you know, so.
Boom. 23rd of July, you see? It's around here. So you get the point. There's nothing else that I would add, you know, just like wait it out. I just at least expecting the highs at 1390 to get cleared out, and that's it. If you want to learn the strategy that's previously delivered all these correct predictions, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. Goodbye.